Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are very well inshallah, and let's start the challenge. For the challenge we will be using a bamboo column, simple bamboo column, and a glossy sheet, and a normal ink which is all available with our stores as well. Anyhow, let's start it. So we will start with the name of Allah, that is Bismillah. And as you remember, we measure the alphabets in a shape of a nukta. This is a nukta, and to write a nukta we have to follow the 90-degree angle. This is a 90-degree angle, and on 45-degree we'll place our nukta. Okay, this is a hairline of a column, and this is a size of a cut. Okay, so at 45-degree we'll draw a nukta like that. All right, okay, so we'll start with this. This will go a little tilted, all right, and then the first loop, scene, remember with the scene, this part, this is not the sharpest part. You have to tilt it like that. Okay, so this is a place where one nukta will come, like the measurement is one nukta from here, and this is a taj of ba. The measurement of the taj of ba is one nukta, right? Like that. Okay, and the space between this bowl, this is for one nukta, and this bowl is for 1.5 nukta. Okay, we'll descend like that, and from here we'll go for the mean like that, and then from here we complete the mean, and for the ra part we'll go down, and we will draw this part from this part of a column because this is a bit smarter part. This thing, all right, this part and this part. If I draw like this, there is a 1.5 cut over here, and there is a half cut over here, and there is some calligraphers, they put one nukta, some are half nukta. So this is the mizan of Bism. I hope you will follow that, and I hope you will be able to do that, inshallah. So we are starting with Bismillah, and then we will move forward. Best of luck, guys. Please write one alphabet or one letter every day and be the part of the challenge. Thank you.